Welcome back to Star Trek Online with PAL Gaming. Today we're going to be doing a Tier 6 Krenim Imperium Warship review. That is, if Astro Zombie gets finished with his date anytime soon. I really don't know what that Gorn sees in him. The Tier 6 Krenim Imperium Warship is a formidable starship with incredible offensive capabilities. While it is slower and less maneuverable than many destroyers and escorts, it makes up with greater weaponry and more durable hull and shielding. This starship features a Lieutenant Tactical / Intel Bridge Officer seat and a Lieutenant Commander Universal / Pilot Bridge Officer seat. Any faction can use it. It's only available in the Year of Hell lockbox. Hull strength begins at 33,000 at level 40 and ends at 44,000 at level 60. Has a shield modifier of 1.1, crew complement of 300. Weapons have 5 in the front and 3 in the back, 3 device slots. Bridge officer stations: 1 Lieutenant Intel / Tactical, 1 Commander Tactical, 1 Ensign Engineering, 1 Lieutenant Commander Science, 1 Lieutenant Commander Universal / Pilot. Console modifications is 5 Tactical, 3 Engineering, and 3 Science. Base turn rate is 14 degrees per second. Impulse modifier is 0.18. Inertia is 55. Plus 10 weapons power, plus 5 engine power, and plus 5 auxiliary power. Upon activating the level 5 in the Krenim Imperium Warship Starship Mastery, you will unlock Potentiality Starship trait. While slotted, you can tap into a potential energies unleashed by alternate timelines created by choices where they were not made. For every second you spend in combat, but not activating a Bridge Officer ability, you will gain 1 stack of Potentiality, which will increase your damage output for a short time. Activating any Bridge Officer ability renders you unable to build up Potentiality for several seconds, during which time your existing stacks will be lost. Kinda looks like Astro Zombie's girlfriend, doesn't it? Hehe.
Being a hero, it's difficult. Living in the shadows. You always try remembering who you were. But now, it's nothing more than a story. I'll be the villain. It's nothing more than a story. I'll be the villain.